Good evening, preppers. Day 3 of the 3-day fast. Yep, that's right. Put the Christmas tree up. How am I doing? Well, everything is kind of foggy. The eyeballs aren't working great. The brain isn't working right. And haven't worked with food all day like yesterday, but today was still a bit challenging. Working on the Patreon, just basically trying to stay as busy as possible, not think about eating. Drinking lots. I probably drank a pot of coffee and 2 of these. I think these are, 32 ounces altogether. Yeah, about 32 ounces. That's 16 ounce where my thumb is. Anyway, tomorrow morning we're going to do a live stream on YouTube. If you're not on my YouTube channel, please go to the link in the bio and get to my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, because as of January 1st, I will no longer be live streaming on TikTok. I'll put something in here someplace for you to find it. Overall, feeling great. Tallied up the numbers. By the time I cook breakfast at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, live, and eat, I will have gone 85 hours without food. Why am I doing this? Well, I just... Basically, I gained 10 pounds in 10 days because of all the holiday foods and cooking holiday foods and the sweets and overindulging. And I needed to just purge my system of all that craziness, and that's what I've done. Now, there are downfalls. One of the things that you guys need to remember about fasting is that when you don't eat foods, your brain needs sugar to function. So you will not function properly. Your brain, you will not be using all your words. So think about that. Think about your brain health. Think about your general health when the time comes for you to do a fast. Yeah, I think that's about it. Doing great. Remember, 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, YouTube live stream. Go to the link in the bio. Get the link. Find my Discord. I'll put something in there. Get on it. Go to my webpage, localprepper.net, and scroll down to Discord. Click on that. And also go to my YouTube page. All right, guys, I think that's about it. Until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.